talk about landings, they talk about alightings, because that covers either land or water. They're quite difficult with this aircraft. It doesn't have any flaps, the sort of slow-speed handling things that almost all other aircraft do have. However, there were some comfortable things about it. For their long 14-hour flights, the crews had bunks and a galley in there. The early versions of the aeroplane were pure seaplanes. You had to use beaching gear to get them ashore. Then came the Mark 5A, A for amphibious, with a tricycle undercarriage as well.